Anyone give the permission for allowing that person? Solve d square plus d plus 1 into y, it's equals to x cube. See here already the given f of d, it is in operator form. So directly we'll move for finding the auxiliary equation, which is equals to m square plus m plus 1, it's equals to 0. Where this given equation, it is in the form of quadratic form. So you are going to use that formula for finding the roots minus b plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a, where your a value, what is the coefficient of here? It's a 1. So a, it's equals to 1, and your this is your b is equals to 1, and your constant c is equals to 1. So your m is equals to minus 1 plus or minus under root of 1 whole square minus 4 into 1 divided by 2 into 1. Your a is equals to 1. So it is equals to, what you're going to get? The roots are going to be complex roots. 2 into 1. It is equals to minus 1 plus or minus under root of 1 minus 4 divided by 2, which is equals to minus 1 plus or minus I root 3 divided by 2, where your I square, it's equals to minus 1, I is equals to root of minus 1. So 1 minus 4 will give you minus 3 it will be. So under root of minus 3, that you can write that root of minus 1 is equals to I. See here. So here it is in the form of alpha plus or minus beta form. Minus 1 by 2 plus or minus I root 3 by 2, where this is the value of alpha and where this is the value of your beta. The roots are complex roots. The roots are complex roots. So you can write your complementary function, that is y suffix c is equals to e to the power of alpha x into c1 cos beta x plus c2 sin beta x, where your alpha value is equals to minus half and beta value is equals to root 3. Y suffix c is equals to e to the power of minus half into x c1 cos root 3 by 2 into x plus c2 sin root 3 by 2 into x. So half of the problem is got completed. Now you have to find your pi, to find your second half of the problem, to find pi, where your pi is equals to 1 by f of d into q of x, which is equals to, what is our f of d? Where f of d is equals to d square plus d plus 1. 1 divide by d square plus d plus 1 into, what is the q of x? It says an x cube, I think so. Yes, x cube. It's equals to x cube. Now you have to reduce this into the form of 1 plus or minus phi of d you have to. So we can arrange this. Here the least one is what? It's 1. So we can arrange that is in this form. How it's going to be? 1 then plus this d square plus d. Can we write in this way? Yes, Aditya, can you write in this way?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Then what you have to do, you have to take this to the numerator so that we can apply that binomial expansion. So it's going to be 1 plus d square plus d whole to the power of minus 1 into x to the power of 3, where according to our knowledge we know that 1 plus d whole to the power of minus 1 is equals to, it's going to be alternative, plus minus. So 1 minus d, then plus d square minus d cube plus so on. 1, then this part is what you are completely, you are going to treat this term is equals to d. So wherever d is there, you have to write d square plus d. So 1 minus of d square plus d, then plus of d square plus d whole square minus of d square plus d whole cube plus so on x cube. I'm not writing the remaining term because my power is here 3 only. So I'm going to get the values till 3 differentiation only. After the remaining differentiation, it's going to become 0. It's equals to 1 minus d square minus d. Multiply this d. Then open this first one, or simultaneously I will do. Then plus d power 4. It is in the form of a square plus b square. D power 4. Then plus 2d square into d cube. Then plus d square. Then minus. This is in the form of a plus b whole cube. D square whole cube. It's going to be d power 6, then minus 3d square into d. So what you're going to get here, 3d power 5, then minus 3d square minus d cube, then plus so on, x to the power of 3. Now multiply this x to the power of 3 to each and every term of this bracket, which is equals to x minus d square x cube minus d x cube plus d power 4 x cube plus 2d cube x cube, then plus d square x cube minus d power 6 x cube minus 3 d power 5 x cube, then minus 3d square x cube minus d cube x cube plus so on. Then first you find, make this is equals to your equation number 1. Till now we have not given any equation number. Your d stands for differentiation. D into x cube, it's equals to, what is the differentiation of your x cube? It's a 3x square. Then d square x cube. Second time differentiation. First time differentiation, it's over now. 3 into 2, it's a 6x. Next, d cube x cube, which is equals to 6. Then d power 4 into x cube, it's equals to, there is a no variable over here, so it's going to be 0. The remaining values are going to be 0. Whatever the differentiation it's going to be, all the terms are going to be 0. So you're going to get the values till d cube and x cube. You're going to substitute all these values into your above equation. Substituting all the above values in equation number 1. What we are going to get? It's x minus d square x cube. Value is equals to 6x minus dx cube. It's equals to 3x square. Then plus, this value is equals to 0. Then this plus 2 into d cube x cube. Value is equals to 6. then plus d square x cube, it's equals to 6x. The next is minus d cube x cube, 0, minus 3 d power 5 x cube, it's a 0, then minus, what is this term? Then d square, 3 into your d square, d, it's going to be, 1 second, it's not as on a square, it will be 4, this will be 4, sorry, 4 this is, so this term is going to be 0, it's a 0. Then next, minus d cube x cube value is equals to 6. Now simplify, you will get your complete pi now. It's equals to, see here, minus 6x and plus 6x will get cancelled. Then from here it's 2 3s are 6, 2 6 are 12, 12 minus 6 is equals to 6. So your pi is equals to x minus 3x square plus 6. Now write your general solution, where the general solution is going to be the combination of particular complementary function plus particular integral. General solution is equals to complementary function plus particular integral y is equals to y suffix c plus y suffix p, which is equals to, we got complex analysis, no? Y is equals to e to the power of minus a half, minus half into x of c1 cos root 3 by 2 into x, then plus c2 sine root 3 by 2 into x, then plus your pi value is equals to x minus 3x square plus 6. Yes, Aditya, any doubt in this method?
No, ma'am.
It's a clear. All the steps are clear for you.
Yes, ma'am.
And 1 by d stands for? Suppose if you are left with 1 by d over here, then what you're going to do? Your d stands for integration. What about 1 by d stands for?
Differentiation.
1 by d stands for integration. Suppose, just for in general I'm saying, not for this problem. Suppose if after taking the common etc, if you are left over here with 1 by d, then what you're going to do? This you have solved, that you got is
Is it to
equals to,
differentiate?
no, 1 by d stands for integration. After getting your this solution outside, suppose outside you are left with 1 by d. 1 by d stands for integration. After this, you have to do the integration. Your 1 by d stands for integration. If 1 by d is left over, where your d stands for differentiation, d by dx. 1 by d stands for your integration. When you're going to solve it, first complete your bracket terms. After that, you're going to do that integration with respect to x. For this problem, it's not there. Don't get confused.
Ma'am, can you just show the solution?
Yeah, wait. Did you copy it completely?
Yes, ma'am.